Hello, Lisbeth.
Hello, Russ.
What are you doing here?
I'm prepping barley as a snack for the girls. You see how entangled it is? It's super, super dense when you grow it this way.
Yeah.
Makes it difficult to harvest. If these would get daylight for a day, they would turn green now, but only the ones in top. So we would put them in a thin, big layer we could get with green sprouts. Anyway, it took a few days to sprout them, and you have to rinse them morning and evening, but the girls went absolutely crazy for these. It's probably the best thing they've ever tasted, it seems.
Yeah. Sprouted barley. So you just basically put the seeds that we're feeding them ground normally.
Yeah.
You take the whole seeds and then...
I just soaked them for 24 hours.
Yeah.
And I didn't even rinse. Normally I would rinse them after 12 hours, but I just soaked for 24 hours. And then I've been in this bucket. Then I put them in the sieve.
Yeah.
So the sieve drains into the bucket. And with the lid on top so that it doesn't get too wet or too dry for the seeds.
Yeah.
And I rinse them every 12 hours, partly to rinse for hygiene sort of reasons, but also for keeping the humidity at a good level.
Yeah.
And you see they grew the roots first, and then only after they've established quite long roots that they tangle.
Show the roots and shoots quickly.
Yeah, that's why it's so hard to pull them, because they've entangled their roots with each other, you see.
Yeah.
And then the shoots come only a few days later, and this is the coolest part.
Yeah.
Very cool with them.
But I guess when we try it again, we will try and do it in a different way, maybe.
Yeah, this was an experiment to see how long time it takes and so on. I had 2 batches also in different parts of the house.
Yeah.
The one in the kitchen grew a lot faster because the temperature's higher. So it's really temperature dependent also.
Cool. So, and it's a glorious morning outside our window in Gim, a village in Top Samar in the middle of Sweden.